How to use line and polyline in AutoCAD. Go to draw, then we have line and we have polyline. Let's make a line, the first one, press on it, then make the first point and the second point, then press on escape, and here is our line. The shortcut is L, then press on space or enter. Then the first point, let's make it 5 meters, and from this point again 5 meters, and again 5 meters and 5 meters. After that, press on escape, and here is our lines. Again, we want to do the polyline. From draw, make polyline, make the first point, make it 5 meters, then press on space or enter, again 5 space 5 enter, and the last one. Here in line we have each line is separated, and in the polyline our lines is connected. Again, the shortcut is PL, then press on space, the first point, then let's make it 5 meters, and here is our line. Here in command we have arc, let's choose it, or the shortcut is A, then press on space, and here we have an arc. Let's make it 3 meters, and I want a line from here. Press on L, again press on PL, the shortcut is polyline, then press on space, select your point, and we have, let's make it 5. Again we have here arc or close, let's make it close, and here is our polyline. Again, the shortcut is PL, then press on space, the first point 5 meters, then I want to arc, choose from command, let's make 3 meters, and I want another line, press on L, then press on space, again 5 meters, and I want arc, press on A, then space, and let's close it, and here is our polyline.